thought was reading something else. Thought I read like some part of it. Okay, never mind. Anyway, I thought it said that someone. Oh, okay. No, sorry. Okay, so it says here on Tuesday, after a student told the school resource officer (SRO) that another. So basically, a student snitched on another student, that student had a weapon. So student A snitched that student B had a weapon. That student B got in trouble because of what student A said. I mean, rightfully so, but still. So my question is how did student A know that student B had a weaponized weapon in his backpack? Because it also says it was secured in his backpack. Still doesn't mean you should bring it onto campus, no. But it was secured in his backpack, meaning he didn't bring it out, meaning no one could have known about it until student A pointed it out. So either student B went out and told student A that student B has a airsoft gun or weapon, or made it sound like it was a gun without I don't know. Anyway, I am going to start a. Oh yeah, what's your guys' thoughts on that? I want your guys' thoughts. Comment down your thoughts. Anyway, I am going to start a new series. It's gonna be like a kind of like a vlogging documentary type thing. It's just basically vlogging or blogging or not blogging because it's not writing. Basically either a documentary but on myself. Vlogging. Now I want to search up the definition of vlogging. My eyes hurt. I don't know. But that's basically the best explanation I have. I am so tempted to go airsofting sometime soon. But yeah, I do want to go airsofting sometime soon. I'll have to clean my camera later. But I do want to go airsofting sometime soon. I may be going in 3 weeks with my girlfriend. Yeah, I have a girlfriend somehow. Anyway, but yeah, which I was asked not to bring up, so I'm not gonna bring it up. Or actually, no, she didn't ask, but she probably doesn't want me to talk about it. Talk about her, so I'm not gonna talk about her. Respect and yeah, I am thinking of starting when I start up Airsoft again. I am starting to think of starting a new series, since I have this sexy drone. I may start a new Airsoft series where I use my drone to kind of film my airsofting. But anyway, that's gonna have to wrap it up and see ya. Good night, good morning, good night, good afternoon, yeah, all that good stuff.